Hi there, people. When you want some J-clamps, jumper clamps, clips, probes, cheap and nasty ones off eBay, they're really tiny and they're really fiddly. Well, first of all, to assemble them with the wire, pull the cap straight off. No special secret about that. It's a little bit easier if you squeeze the plastic prongs together. I happen to have a good wire stripper tool here. It's got a whole hole in it, clamps it in place. It's quite handy. So yeah, we tin up the tab, and then I've got some pre-tinned wire here. We only need about 1mm or less, and we want to solder the wire on so it's straight up. You don't want it to go out to the sides because there's guides for the cap you'll see later that would get interference if there's too much solder. So yeah, make sure the wire is running straight up, not to the side, and there's not too much solder on the little arms there. So if you see inside this cap, you can see how there's guides. They're rounded shaped, they funnel the tabs into position, and of course the two small legs face the hole of the cap. Accuracy is the key here, and then be forceful at the end. And that's how it's done. After about 5 to 10 of them, you'll be really good at it.